I'm Isooba Emmanuel, a Ugandan. How I came to know Alison is when I got a challenge at my workplace. I got an accident, then a friend came and to visit me. We talked about encouraging words. Then he told me, don't think it is the last end, that you have ended because you have gotten the accident with your arm. He actually told me about Alison. And I asked him what Alison was. At that time, he told me it is about education, e-learning. Will I need to pay money? He told me no, it's a very free course. You do whatever you feel you can do on the platform. I took time and I thought about it. Then immediately I took a decision of starting the studying. And I acquired many courses, but the most courses which impressed me, they were actually in a relationship with my work, with my profession of engineering. So I did one course which was advanced machining. Then after that, I did another course. Since I was at home, I did the second course. It was with health and safety. Because of my illness, I thought it wise to do a course which will help me add value to my engineering department. I did that course and it helped me. How? The time I was called back for work, I was able to do the work of safety manager, and I became even a supervisor because of the machining course I did, the advanced machining course. So I'm happy to deal with Alison because it is free. To those people out there, I'm telling you, you are indeed wasting time with waiting for when you get the tuition to go to universities. This is an opportunity. If you are hearing me and seeing me, I'm telling you, I'm happy. You also need to get to enjoy the happiness I'm having because of Alison. It is free of charge, and the knowledge is free too. So we need only to be determined on what we want.